Sure is a beautiful day for some math.
All right, boys and girls, cats and squirrels. Same sign, keeping at different signs.
Subtract.
Keep the sign of the larger number, then you'll be
Exact.
All right, guys, let's look at this problem. First off, Mr. Griffin hates subtraction. It is the devil. So we're going to use little K, C, F to get rid of that garbage. Leaving us with a negative 17 plus a negative 4. We listen to our 7th grade students who sing, same signs, keeping at different signs, subtract. Luckily for us, though, these have the same signs. So we keep the sign and we add. So 17 plus 4, 18, 19, 20, 21. So a negative 21. Well, that's not too bad. So let's spin the frisbee. Uh-oh, now we have a rational number, well, a non-integer, okay, a non-integer. So once again, we get rid of the subtraction by KCF. Give me a negative 7 plus a positive 10 and 3/10. So we come over here, put the 10 and 3/10 on top, subtract that by 7. We're gonna have to add a placeholder, okay? Add a placeholder, leaving us with 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. But remember, folks, this is not 33. You gotta drop that decimal like it's hot, giving us 3 and 3/10. Okay? Now that we have a frisbee in our hand with correct answers, there's only one other thing we must do with it. Grip it. And throw directly in the ground. Yeah, ready? All right, guys, let's go over number 20 on your study guide, okay? We're looking at another fraction division problem. I know a lot of us have been struggling with that in class, so let's look at this one to begin with. We do not want a mixed number here, okay? So the very first thing we do in Mr. Griffin's class when we have a mixed number is we go around the world, okay? Or if in 6th grade you learn that as mad, okay? You learn it as mad in 6th grade. So we've got negative 2, 7 staying here, divided by 1 times 4 plus 3. So 1 times 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. This negative sign is just going to go down here with it, okay? And that is going over 4. That is going over 4 in our problem. Now, once we get to that point, we learn the OG KCF, keep, change, flip, okay? So this problem right here will become negative 2/7 times a negative 4/7, okay? A negative 4/7. Do not freak out. This is an easy problem once we get to this point, okay? A negative times a negative is nothing to stress about. A negative times a negative is a positive, okay? It'll get us a positive. So we can get rid of the negative signs, or we know our answer will be positive, okay? 2 times 4 will get us an even 8. And 7 times 7 will get us 49. So on number 20, on our study guide, we will get up 8 over 49. Check it. Oh, hey, Miss Sullivan, do you want to do some math?
No!
Oh, shucks. Gobin time!
What up? All right. We got us some rational numbers. We're multiplying. That's what this little X right here means, guys. That's multiply. So you have a mixed number times an improper fraction. I know that whenever I multiply fractions, I cannot mix or multiply them unless it's a number over a number. So when we have a mixed numbers make me mad. Don't forget that mad means multiply. Add, denominator over. So 1 times 10 is 10, plus 9 is 19. You take your denominator over, that's 10. Don't forget your negative sign. we're multiplying by another negative. So when you multiply negative times negative, you know that that's going to be same signs, that's positive. Okay, so I'll make sure that over here I'm not carrying that negative over. When you multiply fractions, remember when you multiply fractions, multiply numbers straight across. So 19 times 3 gives you, I forgot what that is, let's work it out. So 3 times 9 is 27, put your 7, carry your 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So I have 57 on the top. 10 times 2, that's 20. I cannot leave my answer as an improper fractions because Mr. Griffin's not an improper lady. Okay, so to change a improper fraction to a mixed number, top number divided by bottom number. Come on, my 6th graders even know that.
Lauren Crick, please go to the car radar line. Lauren Crick.
Lauren Crick, what's up, dog? Come on, go to the car. So, 57 divided by 20. 20 goes in 57 2 times. 2 times 20 is 40. You subtract, you get 17. Your remainder becomes your numerator, and your denominator stays the same. So you should have 2 and 17/20.
Window time. All right, guys, let's attack this problem. Our 6 and 7/10 will go in the house, while our negative 2/10 is outside knocking on the door, okay? Now, we've got a few extra steps we have to do in this problem. First being, move our decimal one place to the right. So our scary, how many times can 2/10 go into 6 and 7/10 problem, just change to a how many times can 2 go into 67, excuse me, negative 2 go into 67. With that being said, now that we have moved our decimal, let's look and see what our answer is going to have a sign on. What the sign, let's try that again. What the sign of our answer is going to be. We've got a positive being divided by a negative that will give us a negative answer. Now it's a simple question, okay? 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Leaves me with 0. Take the 7. Drop it like it's hot. 2 cannot go, or excuse me, 2 can go into 7 3 times. I'll get 6 again. The remainder of 1. It's been a long week. Take that 0, drop it like it's hot. Okay? And 2 can go into 10 and even 5 times. And so we are hashtag Dunzo. Hey guys, if you like videos like this, hit the subscribe button now. And if you don't like videos like this, then don't watch it again.